In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add subprojects in Todoist. Using subprojects is a great way to keep big areas of your life or work organized. Instead of having one huge project with everything mixed together, you can break it down into smaller, focused sections. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to set up and use subprojects inside Todoist. First, open Todoist on your computer or in your browser and look at the left-hand sidebar where your projects are listed. At the top of that area, you'll see a small plus icon. This is what you'll use to create a new project. Go ahead and click on the plus sign. This tells Todoist that you want to add something new to your project list. After clicking the plus sign, a menu will appear. From this menu, choose the option that says Add Project. This will open the project creation window where you can set up all the details for your new subproject. In the project creation window, you'll see a field where you can type in the project name. Click into that field and type the name you want to use for your subproject. It helps to choose a clear, specific name so you can easily recognize what belongs under this subproject. For example, if your main project is marketing, your subproject might be social media content or email campaigns. Now that you've named your project, you need to tell Todoist which project it should live under. Look for the option labeled Parent Project. Click on that. A list of your existing projects will appear. These are all potential parent projects. From that list, select the project that you want this new subproject to belong to. When you click it, you're essentially nesting this new project under the one you chose, so it appears as a subproject in the sidebar. Once you've chosen the parent project and you're happy with the name, look for the button that says Add. Click on Add to save your new subproject. Todoist will create it immediately, and you'll see it appear in your project list, slightly indented under the parent project, showing that it's now a subproject. That's all you need to do. You can repeat these same steps to create as many subprojects as you need, helping you keep your Todoist workspace organized and easy to navigate.